Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The lesson entitled The Long Vowel in Arabic. Firstly, I explained in the last video the short vowel. I will put it on the top to see the lesson, inshallah. Today I'm going to show the long vowel in Arabic. Okay, the first one is named Alif. The second one is named Ya. The third one is named Waw. When you see Alif with Fatha, you will do what? When you see Alif with Fatha, you will open your mouth with long space, like When you see Ya with Kasra, you will move its chin down, like E. When you see Waw with Dhamma, you will round our lips like this, O. Alif with Fatha, A. Alif with Kasra, E. Alif with Dhamma, Ooh. For example, with that letter, Ba. Ba with short vowel, Ba Fatha, Ba. Ba Kasra, P. Ba Kasra, Boo. Ba with long vowel, Alif, become Ba. Yes. Ba with long vowel, Ya, become B. Ba with long vowel, Wow, become Boo. We have now 3 long vowels within our Ba, for example, like Bab. You can notice what is the pronouns of this. I opening my mouth with long space. Bab. Bab. Ba with long vowel, yeah, become P. P like Tabib. Tabib. Like you're smiling. Tabib. Tabib in Arabic means doctor in English. Ba with Waw become Boo. Boo like word of Hubub. Hubub like grains in English. Hubub. You can notice what around our lips with long space. Hubub. Ba. Ka with short vowel. Ta Fatha, Ta. Ta Kasra, Si. Ta Kasra, Tu. And the Ta when come with the long vowel, Alif, become Ta. Opening your mouth with long space. Ta with Alif, Ta. Ta with long vowel, Ya. Si. Ta. Tu. Two. For example, Ta with Alif like Tag. Tag, it means crown. Crown in English language. Tag. Ta with long vowel, Ya, become Si. Si, like Seen. Seen. What is the meaning of Seen? It's named fig. Yeah, it's a kind of fruit in English. Seen. Ta with the long vowel of Ya become Si. Seen. Si. Seen. Ta with long vowel of Waw become Tu. Toot. Toot. What is the meaning of toot? Equal Perry. Again. But before reviewing the video, I have an important point. The long vowel come only in the middle of word or in the end of word, not come in the beginning. You can notice that through the examples. Again, the long vowel come in the middle or in the end of word, not come in the beginning. Okay? Again, we have three long vowels in Arabic. It's named alif and waw and ya. When you see alif with fatha, you will open your mouth with long space. When you see ya with kasra, you move it chin down. When you see waw with the mouth around our lips, like ooh. If you have any question, please tell me in the below of comments and I will reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Inshallah. مع السلامة.